Good morning. It's very foggy out here, so like, yeah, visibility is questionable at best. But we got a few things to start off the morning. Chair and something to put on the side if I get a bunch of stuff in here. Trailer's pretty much empty, minus the sledge that broke on me. But yeah, sorry I've been gone for a month, a little over a month, but had a good reason. I guess stay tuned to the end and I'll kind of explain what all happened and what happened to me, I guess. But yeah, see if we can get some good stuff on here today and, you know, get back at it again, have a little fun, fill the trailer, so on and so forth. I did bring the dolly because of what happened, but we'll get there. Some lamp action. You can take a nap. Quick stops. It's actually not that late. It's just, I don't know, very strange. When I was oh, this is a bucket full of brass and stuff I bought at a yard sale, by the way. We'll take that, right? I think it's going on 5:20 right now. I guess time of the seasons, change of the seasons, things like that happening. Don't know if we will find anything special in this or not, but we got boxes and boxes of stuff to kind of just glance through. Just kind of make sure we don't have nothing that can become ours. Add to the load, trailer, back of the truck. Things we want to collect. A few pennies. Gloves, don't fail me now. Y'all seen anything yet? Ooh, brakes. Oh, we do got some brakes. See? There's something. There's a few goodies. Just keep digging. Somebody is definitely either a seller of the paparazzis or last box. Cordage. No, coaxage. Got Mary Kay. Well, we found some pennies, some brakes. The stop of a lifetime. Nah, we don't know if I made it, but we'll pick it up. Okay, well, that's it. Still foggy out here, but we do have a bigger item, so I'll try the dolly. Now, normally, as if you've been to the channel for a minute or two, normally on something like this I would just grab it and, you know, get it to where I want it. Well, until I have 100% faith in my calf muscle, that's what I heard. I know I'd talk about it, said I'd talk about it at the end, but I guess I'll go ahead and talk about it now because, well, it's one of those things that I got to get on here anyway. So would you chill? We was out doing family things, and we were riding four-wheelers, go-karts, and things along those natures. And I felt something what I thought something hit me in the back of the calf muscle. Felt kind of like a baseball, I guess. Well, that's not what happened. So after the entire day of doing said fun activities, I went home, took a shower, and come to find out, there was no mark on the back of my right calf, which is what the in question pain was from. Well, a day passed, pain was still there, no bruising. So we went to the old doctor and had him take a gander at the issue. Well, I had a stage 2 tear on the back of my calf. Estimated time as 2 to 6 weeks heal time. And that's great. So 2 to 6 weeks passed. Well, not 2 to 6. 2 weeks passed, went back to the doctor, had him relook at it. And we started therapy on it. I don't even know why I did therapy on it. So started getting back in the gym, working on it. And that was week 3. So everything was going as planned. And then week 4 came, well, in the middle of week 3 came. I was doing the same amount of weight that I was doing before I got hurt. Everything was looking good. And then I fell through a porch and re-injured said leg, and I actually hurt my left leg. Yeah, I know. And that's kind of the end of it. And that's why I've been down for over 4 weeks. So it's fine, it doesn't hurt. Doctor gave me some word of caution though. Well, normally when you hurt something like that, it's susceptible to injury again. So we're gonna be careful for a little while until I'm 100% sure that I'll be fine. But we got a dryer. Got to pull the cord real quick. I'll grab it. At any rate, so I do got a strap on that. I'm gonna get back to the story a little bit. So what caused it? We were, like I said, riding four-wheelers and that kind of thing, and I felt it when I was actually going up a hill. And I figured like a stick hit me or a limb hit me or something hit me. So I didn't have a bruise. I didn't have any of that. So I think it was just overextension, fluke accident. That's what the doctor called it, or something along them lines. And it put me down for a month. The week that I was about to go out is when I fell through the porch, and it was really the stairs that gave away, to be fair. But I mean, so the stairs folded in and my legs went in between it, so it could have been worse theoretically. So yeah, I scraped my knee on that one, and you know, and my shin kind of got hit by the stairs as I came down, and then the stairs pinched my my calf muscle that was already hurt or injured, and that'll lead me being down another week. But hopefully we can get back at it. Like I said, I'm going to try to use the dolly. The doctor says I'm fine, so that's kind of the end of that story, hopefully. And he told me that I've got to get back faith in it. I've been in the gym now for over a week. It's amazing on how much out of shape you can get and just not going for a week. We normally go anywhere between 3 to 5 days a week. That's me and my wife. And yeah, so the last time I was in the gym, I did calf raises, and I calf raised I think 170, 180. So it felt good. What's the word I'm going to use? A little worked, because you know, I haven't been in the gym for around about 3 weeks-ish. And like I said, hopefully that's the end of that story and saga. Doctor says I have to get faith back into my calf muscle and my leg, if you will. So that's what we're going for. And I'm gonna be carrying the dolly with me for some time, just to kind of make sure. that I'm not gonna overextend again or pull it again or hurt it again. The real test I think is gonna be, is it, say, grabbing something and moving it? I've already done that in the gym. I'm back to close to what I was doing in the first place as far as my workout weight, so that's not really the concern. The real concern is, and I don't know if y'all really think of it this way, but getting in and out of the truck continuously while I'm scrapping. So if you do that 10 times, you know, or 20 times a day, then you could kind of maybe have some issues. I think I might be a little tense on that as far as the calf muscle concerning, but you don't know until we try. My plan was to actually go out yesterday, but for some reason I forgot it was Labor Day, and that's on me, and family was down. We wound up eating barbecue sandwich, potato salad, black eyed peas, cornbread, and collards. Very good. It's awesome stuff. Can't get those kind of meals in a restaurant, just letting y'all know. But wife cooked. She's a great cook, in my opinion. I'm not just saying that. And we had a good bit of family over, so that was something that we did and had a fun time doing. But enough of me blabbing and, you know, excuses and all this other stuff. We're gonna get out here. We're gonna start scrapping again. I kind of missed it, to be honest. I did not miss waking up so early though. But well, let's see what we can do with this then. All right, well, go right into it, right? Got a refrigerator. How is that for going into the next segment? Just finishing off your statement and then, wow, refrigerator. Some of y'all might actually, if you're a local, seen the trailer running around anyway. My dad needed to use it for a few things, and I don't know what he used it for, but this one got miscellaneous things on it, I guess. But hoping that we can get it right. Oh, doubt it, but we'll see what we can do. Feels so weird with the dolly, I'm not even gonna lie. It's probably actually not that heavy. They got it apart for me. No, Brandon, use your dolly. These things just sometimes, in my opinion, more work than they. Oh, look at these. Oh my God, they'll get me. Y'all, you go over here. Somebody trimmed up their roses. The protector of the refrigerators. Nope. See? Dolly sometimes just ain't where it's at. Right there? Doubt it. Ooh. If I can slide this over, that'll be probably the best bet for getting it where I need it. Come here. You was holding everything back, wasn't you, Lamp? All right. It's hard to believe it's still dark out here. Sweating eyes. The bird turn. Come here, sledge. All right. In the hole you go. In the hole you go. There you go. Scrub doors. Gotta get the cord cut. Other than that, we're good. I'm gonna get this restrapped and we'll go about our business. Toaster? Yes, please. Well, convection oven? One of the three. Get my cords real quick. Seen a wire rack in here for the closets, so we'll look around, see if we got anything else lurking in the pile. I think I seen a lawnmower blade. No, that's the sewer thingy majiggy. Anything in here? Nope. Just the one, huh? Ooh, maybe not. We do got something in here, maybe. Ah, the folding chair. I think. What is that? Some metal. That's it. That's all she wrote. I got a spot for this, actually. Fill that up. Make it nice and awkward to move. Plants. We have your alien contacting device right here. Man, that's heavier than expected. ET phone home. All right. Pull the dolly off in a minute. Put it back on here. So I was down for a month and it's still dark. It's trying to get daylight, but it's 6 o'clock. That's it is what it is, but hey, we'll keep on going. Gonna have to charge my light just a little bit more. It is starting to get daylight out. As you can see, I've kind of cleaned off this. I put the antenna ET connection device right there because we have these things to tend to. I don't want this one first. I want the bike first. It's probably going to be the one that takes up the most room. If I was going to be a betting person, but some bed frames and the bike. Oh, it's not that bad. Ride it on up. It's got wheels on it. Good addition. Very good addition. My thing is I don't know what scrap prices are. Man, I've been down for a little bit, so that's gonna be an interesting thing today too, actually. Because just because your prices went down or up or something like that does not mean mine did. Could have went up, could have went down, could have went sideways. I like that, actually. We're gonna keep it like that. And I think I'm gonna restrap. Right across there, got room for few more activities. I could go on top of that. I'll think about it. So grab the bed frames. So I got to run back here. I do. Like they almost were meant to go there. All right, let's get our ET antenna phone home thing. Thinking right here, we'll pull a strap from that point maybe and around. So yeah, that's the plan. Still at it. Seen the vacuum and the, ooh, we got some stuff over here too. And the chair, whatever that was. Look at that, look at that. Like it meant to be there. It's the Dirt Devil variety. Maybe it can fit in there too. We'll see real quick, like, won't we? Oh, it's the brokages. Fits. Okay. Oh, for what it's worth, that's how I strapped it down. Hadn't moved yet. Doesn't need my cutters. Get this stuff knocked out real quick. You stay right there. All right, fine. I don't need you anyway. All right. All right, let's continue. See what else is out here. Got a jumbo umbrella. What was left of it anyway. Oh, it's I didn't like the way the chair was sitting in there, so I moved it. Well, that's gonna go back here. The route's almost done anyway, so there's not really a whole lot more. Maybe one more big item would be great, but can't complain for first day back, can we? Think we got some folding chairs. We got the bags for sure, and we got the chairs for sure. Fill it on up. Trash truck's right there. He's doing his thing and we're doing our thing, so that's not the one that comes and grabs this stuff, so we're doing okay. Close to getting the whole alignment for the appliances. Got a refrigerator, dryer. What do we need, a washing machine? Getting a dishwasher right now. Enough of the fight with that. Make sure it's not full of stuff. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Got a stainless steel hose on it. Take that off. Nice addition though. Yeah, I'll go get a pair of pliers. Take that off. Maybe metal, plastic. Oh yeah, no, we got the metal here. Ooh, that stuff's got some weight. In the refrigerator. Need to keep it cool. Don't really know what they're for. It's for that. Don't know. Got one more. Maybe they go for this or something. Connect on there somehow. Works for us. Scrap stop, but coming to take a look at this reef. Wife just bought one for Christmas. We're not even there yet. And she spent like $30 on that thing. Yeah, I know that's aluminum, but yeah, she spent like $30 at like, what was it? Hobby Lobby or Michael's or one of those stores. And sure, somehow I want it. Yeah, I need to learn how to part, but seen this last second. Well, I seen the silver thing. See the fan. Are those metal? No, they're plastic. What is this thing anyway? Some hula hoops. We'll take that. Mosquito repellent, yes sir. Yes sir. We do have a problem with some mosquitoes. Hey, that's pretty cool. I don't know. We'll take that with us. And towels. Box. There's nothing in the box. Digital keypad. Oh. It's a boxer. Anything else in here? Got a lamp. Well, I thought it was a lamp. Probably brass actually. Take that. Empathy box. Gotta come back and grab the fan real quick. Hole goes inside the truck. Magnet test. Brass. These gloves do not do well for me. Golly, soggy. I still gotta look through that one a little bit. Golly. Last but not least, there's some metal there. Those are stuck like Chuck. I'm gonna go grab my screw gun and take those apart, and we'll be on our way. All right, I'm gonna go get a screw gun, take those off, put these inside the truck. See, in the box, there's normally wires on the inside of these. Look at that, already disconnected. Well, almost disconnected. Now disconnected. I want a little circuit board I gotta pull off. Maybe I can get those ICs out. Maybe. Pliers. The other one I need a screwdriver for. That is a ceramic, for what it's worth. Let's see if I can snatch it out. Yeah, I got you. Sweet. It's gonna be our last stop for today. Got a really weird looking lamp. You know something? Let's see if that thing works. It's pretty cool looking actually. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I don't have nowhere really to put it. Bolts are gonna end up broken probably, but we'll go with it. Some more wire racking. Cord, maybe? Yeah, go. Well, that's gonna conclude it. We be heading to the yard after this, see what this weighs and what it pays. Found that cool like skateboard. Don't really know if it's a good one or not. Some of those can be pretty valuable. I don't know the difference between left and right. I guess a pogo stick. Still pretty cool, I guess. And then the lamp. Probably wound up cutting it apart, but cool little lamp, I guess. I'll see if it works. Oh, we're here. It's like home away from home. Squish. All she wrote, isn't it? Well, guys, we're gonna finish this up and see what it weighed and paid. All right, we are going to go ahead and conclude our video here at this beautiful park. Got some birds over there, you know, doing the bird thing. We had a grand total of 800 pounds, 6 cents a pound, $48. Can't remember what our price was last time. I can go back and look at the video, but if you're familiar, then leave it in the comments. Didn't do bad for the first day out. Got some bigger items. Calf muscle feels great. I'll see after I let it stow up a little bit and do that kind of deal, but all in all, successful. I would call that successful. But that being said, oh, I did get rid of the pogo stick and the skateboard. I know that some skateboards can be worth a lot of money, but one of the people at the yard seen it and liked it, so chances of me doing anything with it currently right now at this exact point slim. If he can get a use out of it, whether it's a wall hanger or not, hey, more power to him. They help me out there more than enough. But enough of me blabbling on about nonsense. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe if you have not already. If you did not enjoy this one, give another one a shot down in my channel and see if you like that one. Telephone just rang over there. But y'all have a great one. Successful day back. Goodbye.